video, I'm going to let my pocket option auto trader trade on my cell phone till we get our first loss. I'm going to choose Alpha 1 safe for this video, and if we get one loss, I'm going to martingale till we get a win and we will stop the bot. So let's see what type of win rate we get. If you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want to run this bot that will basically look the same on cell phone like it will do on a desktop, on a desktop you will have just a small box in the side, but will be exactly like you see on the cell phone. Okay, so if you want this one completely for free, you find a link below the video. One click install for cell phone, that is through Google Play, and one click install for desktop, this Google Chrome extension. Okay, so with that, let's start up the bot and let's see how we do.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom. Yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Oh shit, they done let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission. Every enemy listen and get offside, I got bad intentions. Making right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the road, piece of my time, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots, if they wanna just fuck, if you know that you know. Sweet it up, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. I'm ready for war, I was born with a blade. This is the trend, is scared. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay.
There we got it. 88% win rate and $2,955 profit. If you want this bot yourself, use the links below the video.